can see people are joining more nowadays and seeing my videos. It will definitely give you more uh, interest keeping or delivering my skills and the way I'm teaching. But I need more feedback or more feedback to improve upon the way of teaching, and if any suggestion to improve or any correction in my delivering or style of studying to be improved, I definitely will work on that. So I need more feedback, but people are seeing but giving no comment on comment section whether it is very tough for them or very easy for them, and to get more feedback from you people. So kindly give your valuable suggestion. I will definitely work on that and improve upon my videos. So let's start with a new sum that is related to geometry, and it says a parallelogram A B C D. Okay, so one point on AB, P is taken such a way that AP is to AB is equal to given 61 upon 2022. Okay, another point Q is taken on AD such that AQ by AD is equal to 61 upon 2065. 2065. These are the ratios given. Now, if I join PQ and join AC, it will cut at point T. So our task is to find AC is to AT. What is the ratio? Now it has given to find the nearest integer. So it could be a decimal. So according to the rule of the math, you have to find the nearest integer. So I will construct some lines. So one line will be from D parallel to PQ. I'll draw, and it will cut at B at some point, let's say E. Another line I will draw the same parallel to PQ, which will cut at DC at point F, and other points which will cut AC are G and H, naming it like that. So how to prove it? This is the construction already completed. Now these parallel lines, whenever there is cutting other lines and the triangle forming are similar triangles, that need not to prove. That means I am saying this line cutting two parallel lines. So from the symmetry, I can say this triangle and this triangle are similar. So all other things are of can be explained similarly. So from that concept, I can straightforward say AQ, the ratio of this similar sets, AQ is to AD equal to AT is to AG is equal to AP is to AE. So this is the one set of ratios to be same. Now further, if I take AP is to AB, AP is to AB, that has to be equal to AT is to AH. AT is to AH. Okay, so this is second set of ratio. Now another similarity is that if I take this triangle and this triangle, these are the two cross lines making this triangle with between the two parallel lines. So this angle is equal to this angle, is to be are equal to this angle are equal to this angle. So from this similarity, these are similar triangle. So triangle from triangle AGE and similar triangle DGC, we can say another thing, the similar sides, that means AE similar to DC. So this I can write AE as we got DC is equal to AB, so this also equal to A. Now this equal to, this ratio is equal to the similar sides, I can say AG is to GC, okay, and another similar sides is G is equal to DC, G is equal to DC, okay, DG, sorry, DG. So these are equal. So this is third relation of ratios that are equal. Now my task is to find AC by AT. Now AC by AT is equal to what? AC is equal to, total side is equal to AG plus GC, I can write AG plus GC, I can write upon AT, okay. So AG as it is I am keeping, so GC is equal to what? From there, from this two, this one and this one, if I equal, so from there GC is equal to AG into DC by AE. So GC is equal to AG into DC by AE, okay. Now AT is equal to what? From AT I can write from AG, because I am getting AG, because all terms are keeping AG, so I am equaling this AGs. So AG is equal to AP, means AT is equal to AG into AP by AE, okay. Now cancelling all AG terms, I will remain with 1 plus DC by AE upon AP by AE, okay, AE. So up to this, okay. Now I am rubbing the top one, okay. Now if I calculate it, AE will be on the denominator, so on top it will be AE plus DC divided by AP, okay. Now if I write separately, AE upon AP divided by DC upon plus DC upon AP. Now see what are the ratios. AE upon AP. So if I reverse it, so AE upon AP, so earlier we know AP by AE is equal to AQ by AD. So I can replace it, because this is a known ratio, so I have to replace something which is known. So AP is equal to AE is equal to AQ by AD. So reverse it. So AE by AP, it will be AD upon AQ. This ratio is known, is given, because it is given that AQ by AD is equal to how much? AQ by AD is equal to 61 upon 2065. That is given. So it can be reversed. Now DC by AP. DC means your AB. These are parallelogram. So this opposite side is same. So this is nothing but AB by AP. AB upon AP. So this is also given, because I know that AP by AB is equal to AP by AB, in the question already given, is equal to 61 upon 2022. So reverse of that, now I am putting the values, okay. If I put the values, that will be equal to 2065 here by 61 here, plus this is 2022 by 61 here. So adding this together, 61 upon this is 7, this is 804. Now if I calculate it, how much it will come? 6 times, so that means 61 into 6, 36. So if I minus it, is 8 and 34. 8 and 34, 42 into 2, 8 and 34, no, 8, 42, 7, 6 times, it will almost 7 times 67.5, If I 7 700, is it like that? 408 minus 366, how much it will give? 408 2, this will 4 4 2 6, so 7. So this will 7, and this will exactly 61 into 7 is equal to 7. Yes, so this gives the result 67. So this is your answer. Okay, this is very little bit confusing, but if you concentrate on the solution, you definitely find other ways of doing that. So try at home so that you can find other ways of doing that. Only I am seeing the one path of solving, but there may be a different path also. So give a try and follow my videos, and just try to subscribe more, spread more to your groups, so that more viewers may come to see this effective maths. Thank you.